Encountering challenging times is a shared part of the human experience, and it is our mental fortitude that empowers us to navigate through adversity. By developing resilience, we can rise above difficulties and emerge stronger, proving that hardship can be a stepping stone to greatness. Furthermore, the power of positive thinking plays a transformational role in our lives. Positive thoughts uplift our spirits, energize our bodies, and create a vibrant tapestry of experiences, allowing us to embrace each day with enthusiasm and zeal. Let's delve into 8 practical strategies designed to enhance our mental strength. By implementing these powerful techniques, we can cultivate an empowered mindset that paves the way for improved life outcomes and a more fulfilling existence. Additionally, it is essential to understand the importance of letting go of past events. Since these moments cannot be changed, holding on to them only breeds distress. By releasing this burden, we open ourselves to personal growth and new opportunities. Moreover, mindfulness and meditation stand as crucial practices for achieving mental strength. These techniques allow us to center our thoughts and maintain a calm, clear mind, aiding us on our journey to resilience and inner peace. Setting realistic expectations is another vital aspect of mental resilience. When we lean too heavily on others for our happiness, we risk disappointment that can negatively affect our emotional well-being. It's crucial to cultivate independence in our aspirations. Indeed, harboring high expectations of others can lead us to significant disappointment. When those expectations go unfulfilled, it can bring about suffering. Thus, managing our expectations is essential for maintaining emotional balance and well-being. On the other hand, self-reliance plays a significant role in our personal journey. We must nurture hope and aspirations from within, forging a path toward fulfillment without solely depending on others. Fear of failure, however, often looms as a barrier to our personal growth and success, undermining our confidence and self-belief. Confronting and overcoming this fear is essential for achieving our goals and aspirations. Additionally, self-criticism can sap our mental strength, diminishing our confidence and problem-solving abilities. It's important to refrain from blaming ourselves for setbacks, as this can hinder our growth and our ability to bounce back. Recognizing and understanding our unique talents is vital in our quest for success. Each of us possesses different skills, and it's important to pursue paths that truly resonate with our strengths and passions. Furthermore, investing our energy in the right pursuits is crucial for achieving our goals. Misallocating our efforts can lead to frustration and distract us from our true aspirations. It's also common for individuals to overlook their strengths, often pursuing paths dictated by others. This lack of self-awareness can impede our journey to fulfillment and success, so it is essential to find our own way. Listening to our inner voice is of utmost importance. By doing so, we gain deeper insights into our strengths and weaknesses, guiding us toward a more authentic and empowered life. Lastly, the 8th rule for cultivating mental strength is to speak less and focus more on our actions. This practice not only conserves our energy but also sharpens our critical thinking, enabling us to make more impactful choices.